video, we will go to the Corpacan. Doon kami magdi-dinner, magsa-sunset doon sa waterfall sea. So we will travel more than how many hours?
30 minutes.
Yeah, only 30 minutes actually. So see you there. So it's the first time of Cutie Pie guys there in the Corpacan Falls.
And the Lebanese
Yes.
cafe.
Where?
Lebanese cafe is there.
Oh, Lebanese
Under
Cafe
the
daw is
waterfall.
there. Yeah. So see you there guys. So we are on the way of Corpacan. Hi, Cutie Pie. Back to back. My vlogger for today's video. So hello guys, we are on the way in the Corpacan Falls. So yung vlogger ko na bago, mahal tong TF niyan. 100 dirham per hour his TF. Why?
Beauty of Fijiran. Full of rock mountains. And the beach.
Yeah, the beach is here. See guys, look at what's this? Is too much nice, right? The rock, the ambience, so perfect. I like it.
Sucker also. See how tall the mountain is.
This is the hotel.
Okay.
Royal Beach Resort. We are here in the Sharjah already?
On the way to go.
Yes! Let's see, the road is so relaxing. It's nice.
But here are the same cameras working, so it will be things there.
Of course. Still the part of UAE, okay?
Some areas different.
But it's not too much strict, not same Dubai and Abu
It's a
Dhabi.
Sharjah because more than Fijiran.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sharjah. Restrict more.
But visitor people going to there, the up one mountain.
Yeah, I know that one. That's why I told him also to go that there in the
You're
mountain.
going before?
Yeah, I'm going there before.
Yeah, this all.
Yeah, I know that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, no people, Cutie Pie. Kaya I pay cash to him. With my friend. kami pa dyan ni Kitipay kasi masyadong maaga pa. But pagdating sa sunset, grabe, ang dami na din tao. Ayan, na-enjoy din ako mag-ikot-ikot. O diba yung isa guys is a theater, that one. Maganda yan sa gabi. Kaso hindi na kami nakapag-vlog dyan ni Kitipay. Gawa ng umuwi na din kami sa gabi. Pero the lighting there is so perfect. Yes. O diba? Grabe, walang tao. Ang saya-saya pag ganyan. Ayaw din kasi ni Kitipay guys pag masyadong crowded. Ayan, actually si Kitipay ay nagkuha niyan sa akin habang ako'y busy din sa kaka-reels.
Or Italy, Rome.
Sa kasi selfie of course, o diba?
Italy also there.
Enjoy na enjoy
Greek,
kami
yeah.
dyan ni Kitipay.
Greek
Parang
style,
kami ang
actually.
may ari dyan sa
Greek style.
waterfalls.
Or Roman
So
style.
after that one guys, nag-dinner din kami dyan sa cave. Yes, actually yan ang pinaka-gusto naming puntahan, yung cave na restaurant. Yes. O diba? So emote na emote pa ako dyan. Busy sa kaka-reel, sa kaka-tiktok, sa Instagram, sa Facebook. Alam nyo naman, all around tayo dyan. Waterfalls, wala talagang tao. At hindi siya mainit ngayon. So, diba? Siguro nahiya ang... Medyo di ha. Then we will get perfect yung weather dyan guys, di ba? Wala pa ding tao, perfect pa yung weather, hindi mainit. Kaya nag-enjoy to the max talaga kami dyan ni Kitipay. Sobrang selfie kami dyan, na maraming selfie, pati si Kitipay na ano na din sa akin sa kaka-selfie. O diba? So that is the corniche guys of Corfacan. In front of the waterfalls, it's a man-made, the greatest falls here in the UAE, in the Corfacan.
Hardest?
Hardest ba? It's
Hardest,
fast
mm.
food. Yeah. Ayan, picture na naman. So guys, this is the restaurant behind the river. See, this is the river. Ay, falls pala, sorry. So we go here inside. We are eating our dinner. Habib Lebanese cuisine. Welcome here. Oh my God. So they don't need booking? Hala ka, Kitipay, you don't have booking. So thanks God, even we don't have booking, we can stay go in the app. Kitipay told maybe daw is too much costly. That's why we are allowed to go in the rooftop. It's in the rooftop. See, oh my God. Welcome here. Baby, open your what's this? See, this is the one, knock knock. I told you, right? So this is the one. Kitty Pie, can you share that one? Hello, guys. So we are here, guys, in the Habib Lebanese cuisine here in the waterfall. So this is the waterfall. This is our view for today. Oh my God. See, this is the one. Oh, we waiting here for the sunset. Actually, we are eating here our dinner and late lunch. Oh, diba? Hi! Welcome here in my cuisine. It's a Lebanese cuisine. It's not an Indian cuisine. So where we go, boss? In the front? We can go up. What about here? I just from the Bintina. Sorry. You don't like here? You told me you want sunset. Oh, okay, okay. So we go down inside, guys. Look, let's check it out. Our tourist guide. So actually, the good thing is, oh, it's nice, Kitty Pie. See, this is it. It's okay. So guys, this is it. It's okay. You can sit down there. It's nice. So guys, look at inside. Grabe, ang ganda. Para kaming nag-dinner sa inside the cave. So this is the waterfalls going down. Yeah, so guys, at the ceiling. Oh my goodness, it's so perfect. Grabe, ang ganda. We are waiting for, actually Kitty Pie want to order the food soon. He still is scanning. So how's Kitty Pie?
It's nice.
It's nice now. This is a Lebanese cuisine here, guys. Yes. And hi. Say hi. Video first before order. when video is live. See, this is my cocktail, right? Oh my God. Choose who you need to help me. This is a pistachio, right? Oh my goodness, so nice. Enjoy your dessert, Kitty Pie. Oh my gosh, you guys. My labubu also will eat part of this video. So this is our my main course, guys. This is only for me. Yeah. For Kitty Pie don't have. And with this dessert. My goodness. Can you ask the water, please? Do you have ice cream biscuit? You can take away that one. I don't know how Kitty Pie thinking to order me like this, guys.
I asked you 3 times. You already told me.
So that is the waterfalls, guys. Yeah, so look at it. It's so amazing while you are eating your dinner, lunch. Oh, diba? Grabe. Very relaxing yung place, guys. The ice cream daw is melting na the ice cream. See guys, in my back. Did you hear the water? Oh my goodness, ang ganda. See the rock. See the rock. See this. I like it. I like it, the place too. That's nice. Huh? This one is nice. Huh? Here? Yeah, of course, Jamie, are in the cave, right? I like it too much.
Pagod.
Goodbye, Corpacan! Enjoy a lot and we are full a lot. Grabe, ang ganda ng restaurant, guys. Super, super. Worth it yung bayad lang. Busog na busog kami ni Kitipay and then the place is so amazing. Right, Kitipay?
Too much full na.
Kami na. Ang ganda dito as in. Right, Kitipay? You like the place? Very nice. Yes. Very nice. Actually, sa Instagram, I think it's too much exaggerated lang, di ba? But in the personal, it's real what you see in the Instagram. Oh my God, the waterfalls in the restaurant in the app. So worth it talaga. Grabe, ang ganda. See? Oh my God.